Hello everyone, welcome to Module 3, Act and Observe, Data Collection. Before you begin this module, please be sure that you have received feedback from your mentor on your research context, your specific research question, and your logic model. Also be sure that you've finished reading or skimmed Chapter 3 in Doing Action Research. If you have not done any of these, please stop now and go back and complete them before you begin. Looking at the objectives for this module, you will select short-term outcomes for your action research. You will understand the main concepts of data collection, like different data collection tools, validity, reliability, and triangulation. You will also make a plan that defines what kind of data you will collect, how you will collect it, and when and how often you will collect it. Looking at the structure of Module 3, first, you'll specify short-term outcomes on your logic model. Then you'll discuss the basics of data collection. We will review a variety of data collection tools, different ways to collect data. You will select tools for your action research and how you'll collect your data. We'll frame your research project with your tools, and we'll discuss the assignments that you'll need to do for this module. So let's get started, and we'll start with selecting your short-term outcomes. Let's go back to the logic model you completed in Module 2. You purposefully left the short-term outcome area blank. It's now time to complete this section. To help you complete it, please pull out handout 3.1 available on the Blackboard. So look back at your specific research question and ask yourself, what is the solution or action that you want to take in your research? What is the result that you want to happen? And then ask yourself these questions. What do I hope will happen immediately as a direct result of the action? What will I want to see happen in my lessons? And finally, what will I want to know is happening? So looking at handout 3.1, we're going to be talking about the middle column for your responses to these questions. Let's do an example together. Here we'll see the first 5 questions, and we'll talk about some example responses. So looking at question 1, what is the solution or action I want to take in my action research? You might say something like, I will give students text-dependent questions with their reading passages. This is an example of the action that you'll take for your research. Then you'll ask, what is the result I want to see happen? An example response would be, I want students to increase their reading comprehension skills. Question number 3, what do I hope will happen immediately as a direct result of the action? This person would probably say, students will begin to understand the reading passage better and will improve their independent reading skills. And number 4, what will I want to see? This person would probably say, students would rely on themselves more, less on dependent strategies, such as asking the teacher, translations from classmates to translate, word-by-word translation with the dictionary. And what will I want to know is happening? This person would say something like that they are truly understanding the content of the passage. These are some example responses to these questions. Take a few minutes now and complete handout 3.1 using your own ideas.